How to fix OBS microphone delay. So first you want to open up OBS and then come to the mic/aux under the audio mixer. Click on the three vertical dots and then click on advanced audio properties. Now from here, next to your mic, you want to make sure that the sync offset is set to 0 milliseconds. If you have this like higher or lower than 0, you should set it to 0 milliseconds. And then you can close out of this. Now you want to right click on the audio icon in your taskbar and then click on sound and then go to the recording tab and then double click on your microphone and then go to the advanced tab, and from here under signal enhancement you have this checkbox checked which says enable audio enhancements. Try to uncheck it and then okay. Now you will need to open up your OBS Studio again. So we will need to close this instance and then launch it again. And once you launch OBS, you can try talking in the mic and record it to see if there is still a delay. That should generally solve the delay issue. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.